55 million views in 2 days. Figma lost 700 million in valuation overnight because Claude released something new, and this one designs. Claude Design lives at claude.ai/design, a separate product with its own URL. It runs on Opus 4. 7, their most powerful vision model. You need a Pro or Max plan. If you're on Team or Enterprise, an admin must enable it under Organization settings, then Capabilities, then Anthropic Labs. First test, go to the Wireframe tab, select High Fidelity, drop in your prompt. I created a full landing page for a fictional underwater data center company, 1 shot, 2 lines. I didn't write a single word on it. Claude wrote it. Claude designed it, under 2 minutes. The prompt formula that works has 4 locked inputs. Your goal, what you're building and for whom. Your layout, format, and structure. Your content, what actually goes on the page. Your constraints, tone, style, what the user should feel. Specific prompts get agency-level results. Vague prompts get the same slide everyone else gets. Second test, slide decks. Go back to the home page, select slide deck, drop in a brief. Claude asks you questions, answer them, hit continue. You get a full pitch deck in seconds with speaker notes on every slide. I still prefer Gamma for variety, but for raw first draft quality, Claude Design holds its own. Third test, animated videos. Click from template, write a prompt that has a clear visual story, describe every scene, the style, the palette, the transitions. Claude generates a fully animated video. Motion, typography, pacing. 45 seconds from one prompt. The more visual detail you put in, the better the output. Here is the weird one, and it works. Instead of asking for slides directly, ask for video first. Drop in your content, a blog post, a research report, a markdown file. Say, make a 30-second animated video that summarizes this for a first-time viewer. Then in the same chat, now convert that video into a slide pitch deck. The slides come out significantly better because the video step forces visual thinking first. Here is the advanced workflow. It starts in Cowork, not Claude Design. Drop every brand asset into one folder, logos, past slides, photography, brand PDFs. Open Cowork, select the folder and paste, analyze this folder and produce a full design system write-up. Fonts, colors, graphical styles, component patterns, tone, layout conventions. Save it as design.md. Cowork reads everything and outputs clean brand guidelines. Take that design.md file and drop it into Claude Design. Every future prompt now applies your brand automatically. You never respecify colors, fonts, or tone again. Add your prompt. Add your format. When the design system is specific and the prompt is specific, Claude Design produces work that looks like your in-house design team made it. And the section that blew my mind most. There is a free website called getdesign.md. You can download the brand guidelines for almost any major company as a markdown file. MasterCard, Airbnb, Ferrari. Drop that file into Claude Design with your own product brief and Claude designs in that brand's visual language. Same prompt, different brand file, completely different output. Claude Design can build 10 dashboards in 10 minutes. Apply your brand automatically. Export to 5 formats. What it cannot do is tell you which one to ship for your specific users at this moment. That is taste. Taste is the ability to say no to 9 and yes to 1. As AI makes tools cheaper, taste becomes more expensive. You are now paid to be better than the default. Subscribe for more Claude 101.